The complete list of common aluminum casting material options. Aluminum is a versatile metal utilized for different applications. Its strength, ability to resist corrosion, and durability make people prefer it more in manufacturing parts useful for various industries. In most cases, aluminum is made ready for machine preparation through the process of die casting. The process is quite simple, where aluminum is melted and then carefully poured into the desired mold, resulting in the shape that you have been expecting. A perfect die casting process begins when you select the most suitable aluminum alloys for your project. You need to combine properties like good mechanical properties and high fluidity to correct it. Now, with the many alloys available, it often gets challenging to select the perfect one that serves the purpose effectively. If you too are concerned, we've got you covered. The following article will give you detailed insights into the types of aluminum casting material, along with the reasons to consider them for your next die casting project. Let's dive in. Here's the list of widely used aluminum casting material choices. A 380 aluminum alloy. A 380 alloy is a popular option when creating intricate parts with tough geometries. It offers high strength and flexibility, therefore the perfect option for various applications. Most aluminum casting manufacturers also prefer a 380 due to its excellent resistance to corrosion features. It is ideal if the die casting is exposed to harsh conditions, since it does not wear out quickly. Additionally, this alloy is easy to machine, weld, and repair. A 356 aluminum alloy. When you talk about industrial and aerospace applications, a 356 aluminum alloy makes an ideal choice. This alloy has excellent castability, is easily weldable, and is also enough to produce highly durable parts. The composition of a 356 aluminum alloy is mentioned in the table below. Clearly, its combination of elements is excellent. Also, this alloy is known for its good mechanical properties, hence suitable for various applications. Not forgetting how easily available it is. A 383 aluminum alloy. A 383 makes yet another impressive aluminum die casting option, as it has a better filling mold than that of a 380. It is, therefore, ideal for use when creating a highly intricate part. A 383 is also a great heat conductor and is popular to deliver better strength at high temperatures. Not only this, it does not easily crack. However, the downfall is that it is quite costly and less durable than a 383 and a 356. A 360 aluminum alloy. The high strength of a 360, as well as its corrosion resistance and ductility features, makes it attractive to many aluminum die casters. This alloy is mostly utilized in making parts requiring excellent fluidity and pressure tightness. The products from this alloy grade have a high tensile strength and can resist corrosion even at high temperatures. It is suitable for manufacturing parts that'll be used for high-impact applications. A 413 aluminum alloy. A 413 is preferred for die casting procedures since it has good fluidity and highly responds to die casting process parameters. Also, its machinability is excellent, so it's easy to machine. The strength-to-weight ratio for a 413 makes it perfect for applications that require high strength. Alloy 43. This aluminum casting material is not widely used, but has the highest flexibility in the aluminum family. Its corrosion resistance is moderate. It is often used in marine-grade applications. B390 alloy. When your casting is likely to bear high temperatures, you must plan to use B390 alloy. It is, therefore, suitable where there will be a wear application. B390 is widely used to build components such as brake systems, robust pistons, and pumps. It is one of the hyper-eutectic alloys, with silicon content ranging anywhere between 16 and 18. The main challenge with using B390 is that it is difficult to machine. Also, it is aggressive on the die cast tooling. Aluminum die casting alloys' distinctive characteristics to consider. The alloy you might want to use for die casting will directly affect the entire casting process. Thus, you must check if the material is susceptible to hot cracking or prone to die soldering defects. Here are the two types of defects you should look out for when selecting an aluminum alloy. Hot cracking. Cracks in aluminum casting material. This is also known as solidification cracking, a die casting defect affecting most aluminum alloys. It results in external and internal tears and cracks caused by thermally induced internal stress and strain. Hot cracking happens as the cast aluminum solidifies and contracts. Thus, to ensure a smooth die casting process, you must aim to select an aluminum alloy that is less likely to suffer hot cracking. Die soldering. Another defect you should look out for when selecting a die-cast aluminum alloy is die soldering. This problem occurs when the cast starts to stick to die walls. This, as is understandable, makes the ejection pretty difficult. When this happens, the cast and the die are likely to be damaged. So, it is highly recommended for you work with alloy grades that are known to exhibit anti-soldering properties. Aluminum die casting alloy characteristics and their impact on your application. Wear resistance. To achieve a seamless output with relatively less effort, always go with an aluminum alloy that builds wear resistance products. This is of key significance if your items are subjected to continuous friction. Corrosion resistance. The final products of aluminum die casting alloy should be able to resist corrosion by all means. While aluminum can generally resist corrosion, how well it does varies from one alloy to another. Also, select the best alloy to resist corrosion based on the environmental conditions the product will be exposed to. Machinability. How well can the surface of the cast be machined to make it smoother and get a better shape? Different alloys work differently when exposed to CNC machining and even drilling tooling for final touches. Some will be hard to machine while others are easy. So always work with an alloy that will be easy to machine and give you an excellent final product. So, which aluminum alloy is ideal for die casting? Given the different alloys above, as well as the characteristics you should look out for, then the answer is entirely up to you. What kind of product are you creating? What environment will it be exposed to? How about the work you want the die-cast aluminum product to perform? Once you determine this, pick from the options above. However, most manufacturers will work with a 380, a 383, and a 356 as their aluminum casting material. Let Sunrise Metal select the perfect aluminum alloy for die casting that will suit your needs. We have been in the game for long enough to know which option works best for your project and which will not. Please request a quote from us today.